All right, let's get into it. It was a downright dreary day.
I think dreary is like the perfect descriptor for it because, yes, we had just a lot of moisture in the air. We had some showers on and off. It was windy. I was just looking at the almanac, though. Bangor has hit 3 hours of daylight increase since the winter solstice. So pretty cool.
Good for Bangor.
Good for Bangor. Portland will be there soon. I think it said like 2 hours and 53 minutes. High temperatures for today, though, were actually warmer than they would be typically for this time of year. A lot of us got into the mid-40s, but our average high temperature in Portland is only 41, Bangor 39. So even though it didn't feel very warm, it was warmer than it typically is for this time of year. We'd had a cold front pass through the state earlier today. This is some leftover precipitation from that. Some snow flurries, especially in areas of down East Maine, and that will continue to move offshore over the next few hours as that cold front gets farther and farther away. It will also take the cloud cover with it, so by tomorrow morning, we'll start out the day with mostly sunny skies. However, we increase our clouds later in the day ahead of a clipper system that will be bringing some snow back to the state. So the snow will start in areas of New Hampshire and southwestern Maine between about 5 and 6 p.m. It'll get a little bit heavier overnight, starting about 11 p.m. to about midnight, and then continuing overnight. That's when the heaviest snow is going to be. And then areas right along the immediate coastline might be warm enough to see a little bit of rain mix in, but most of us will be seeing snow. And then those snow showers will continue throughout much of the day on Saturday. And even when it's not actively precipitating, I think it'll be another drearier day. We'll see on and off snow and rain showers throughout the afternoon. And then this system will depart as we get into early Sunday morning. Then we'll start out the day Sunday with some sun, increasing clouds, and we do it all over again. So our snowfall forecast, 3 to 6 inches for down East Maine through central Maine and then back into the mountains. Widespread 1 to 3 elsewhere with the exception of southern York County, around 1 inch there. So this clipper system is not the only thing that we're watching for this week. We have another system that comes in. It'll be another warm front, so it's more similar to the system we saw earlier this week. That will come in Sunday night, bringing us a lot of rain for Monday. Which is why when you see the temperature trend, I said it earlier, don't fall for the 50 degrees on Monday. It's going to be very windy and very rainy that day, but our temperatures will be a bit closer to normal for this time of year during this next stretch. Marine forecast sees 3 to 5 feet, small craft advisory in effect until tomorrow at 8 a.m. because of those gusty winds. So again, starting out the day with sunshine tomorrow, some snow overnight, and then we'll have snow showers on and off throughout the day on Saturday, especially in areas of northern and down East Maine. And then starting the day Sunday with sunshine, increasing clouds again ahead of that warm front. So another system bringing in some more precipitation for St. Patrick's Day. If you are one who likes to celebrate, showers in the morning, clearing throughout the afternoon, but it'll be quite windy as well, Bailey.
This is a good reminder. We need to wear our green.
I mean, I can't.
True. Dana stands in front of our weather wall,
in front of our green screen.
She would be a floating head.
I mean, we could have like a floating head, floating arms that would do the weather. It might be a little distracting.
Yeah, for sure.
But
I think
it can make a good laugh.
All right, let's